The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Raccoon Creek near Grenville until this afternoon. At 10 a.m. the stage was 12.8 feet. Flood stage is 13 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by late this morning and continue to rise to near 13.2 feet by late this morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early this afternoon. At stages near 13 feet, water encroaches on storage buildings near the Grenville water plant.